What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to guide you on how to dissolve an LLC in Georgia. Dissolving a limited liability company in Georgia is a multiple-step process that requires careful documentation and notification of relevant parties. As the owner of a Georgia LLC, you have the ability to voluntarily dissolve the business when it is no longer needed or viable. This guide will walk you through the key steps to properly shut down your LLC in Georgia in compliance with the state laws. Here are the steps to dissolve an LLC in Georgia. Vote to dissolve the LLC. The first step is to hold a vote among the LLC members to officially dissolve the company. This vote must be unanimous, as Georgia law requires the consent of all LLC members to voluntarily dissolve the business. Document the dissolution decision. After the vote, you must document the decision to dissolve the LLC. This can be done by recording the dissolution vote in the company's official meeting minutes or in a written consent form. This documentation serves as proof of the LLC's termination. File the certificate of termination. Next, you must file the certificate of termination with the Georgia Secretary of State to officially dissolve the LLC. This form can be filed online for free or by mail for a $10 fee. If expedited 24-hour processing is required, there is an additional $100 fee. Close tax accounts. Before the LLC can be fully dissolved, you must close all the company's tax accounts with the state. This includes filing final returns and paying any outstanding taxes, penalties, or fees owed to the Georgia Department of Revenue. Notify creditors and distribute assets. As part of the winding up process, you must notify all known creditors of the LLC's dissolution and settle any outstanding debts. After paying off creditors, you can distribute any remaining LLC assets to the members according to the terms of the operating agreement. The final step is to cancel any business licenses, sales tax permits, or other registrations held by the LLC with state and local authorities. Dissolving a Georgia LLC requires careful adherence to the proper procedures. By following the steps outlined in this guide, from the initial member vote to the final cancellation of licenses, you can wind down your LLC compliantly and protect yourself from future liabilities. Take the time to complete each stage thoroughly, and don't hesitate to seek professional guidance if needed. With the right approach, you can dissolve your Georgia LLC with confidence. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.